Now we are discussing about a new terminology, map reduce. What is this map reduce? Even though we are discussing this topic after the gradient descents like stochastic gradient descent and online learning, this topic is having high importance when it comes under the application. Because when we deal with the large data set like 40 lakhs training samples, if we use our batch gradient descent for every step we have to use the 40 crores training samples. Computationally it is very expensive. We may go for the stochastic gradient descent, but somehow we have chosen the gradient descent. Now we want to make it computationally efficient. So for that we are taking the 4 computers. Instead of taking one mission, we are taking the multi computers and we are dividing the data based on the number of computers we have, and we are sending each fraction of data for one computers. For better understanding, we are not considering the 40 crores training samples, we are taking 400 training samples. Suppose by using batch gradient descent, now I have to calculate the summation of the 400 training samples. Means the summation of the errors for the 400 training samples, h of x minus y into x. This summation I have to do for the 400 training samples. Now assume that I am having 4 computers. I am calling them as first computer as machine 1, second computer as machine 2, third computer as machine 3, fourth computer as machine 4. So out of these 400 training samples, now I am giving 100 samples for the first computer, and the summation I am storing in the temporary 1, and the summation from 100 to 200 for the summation I am using the machine 2, and I am storing the results in temp 2. Similarly, I am using all 4 machines. For first 100 samples I am using first machine, next 100 second machine, next 100 third machine, next 100 fourth machine. Now these 4 machines are calculating the summation parallelly. Remember, here we are not taking step by step. Here we are using the 4 machines, and 4 machines are calculating the results parallelly. After the computation of the results, we are adding these total 4 results in a master computer. In that master computer, the entire 4 results will be summed up. This is how, when we even use the training samples for 1 crore also, we can divide the 25 lakhs training samples will be given for the first computer, next 25 lakhs for the next computer, next 25 lakhs for the next computer, remaining 25 lakhs for the next computer. These 4 machines parallelly they do the computations. After that, the results will be summed up, and given to these results will be combined in the master computer. This diagram describes the point we have said until now. We have our training set. Now we are giving the training set to all these 4 computers. 1/4 samples are given to first computer. Another quarter is given to second computer. Another quarter is given to third computer. Remaining quarter is given to the fourth computer. Now these 4 computers will calculate the results. We add those 4 results, combined results, in the new master computer. This is how we are incrementing the efficiency of the batch gradient descent. Until now we have discussed about the linear regression batch gradient descent only, but this concept can be applicable for the advanced optimization techniques for the neural networks, and even for logistic regression we can use the same concept. Whenever we are getting the difficulty with the computation, then we can split our data into 4 computers or n number of computers, and we can add all the results in the master computer. If we have a number of cores in a particular computer, in one computer if I am having 4 cores, then in the same way as we have divided that data for the different machines, for the different cores we can divide the data. The first quarter of the training samples are sent to the first core, and next quarter for the second core, next quarter for the third core, the remaining quarter is sent to the fourth core. These 4 cores are calculating the results. After that, the combined results will be given to the computer. We can say that is a master computer, or the remaining portion of the computer which can combine the results from all these 4 cores. So this process, why we are using this map reduce process? Only to make computation simple, computation faster, to make our computation efficient, to increase the efficiency of the computation, to make it simpler and faster. We are dividing our training samples into number of the, based on the number of computers we have. If we are having n number of computers for our m training samples, then we are dividing the data training samples in the ratio of m by n. This is how we increment the efficiency of computation for batch gradient descent by using the concept map reduce.